Hello there, I have played this game for the past 18 hours and this is dumb, but now watch me as I kill some policeman. Because it's getting boring, you know? Okay, go! Roll the video!
Let's go. Oh, here's some police. Come on, officer. Fight me, officer. No, 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 run, 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 run. Don't fight me. Hello, officer. Hello, officer. Hello, officer. Stupid, stupid officer. Let's run. Can we escape here? Oh my god, there's dead people there. Okay. Ooh. So you can actually knock them all out. That's nice. Now let's hide. Weak. Stupid. Oh no. What the fudge? Ah. Let's fight everyone. This is road rage. Come on, come on. Shit. Damn it. No, 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 no. Let's give it another try. Ah. No, that's stupid. Let's give it another try. Let's go, let's go. This is dumb. It was supposed to be okay. I'm gonna leave all my drugs here. Just so, you know. Now let's get our bat. And fight him. Hey Matthew! Clean the house. Let's go! Let's fight. Oh no, I want the fire effect. Let's go, boys. We're gonna fight them. Let's go, boys. We're gonna kill some policemen. Where are they? Come fight me. Come fight me. Yo. There. Here they are. Hello, guys. Bam. Now let's run. Baby, let's run. Ah! What? You can't you're not supposed to enter here. You're not supposed to enter here. This is my house. Wanted dead or alive. Oh. I'm so fucked. Let's go, let's run. Oh no. No, I can't escape. Shut the fuck up. I think I should have hide there. No way. We're good. Oh, we're good. Now this is how you play this game, right? Sorry, Kim. Come, fight me. Where are they? Ah, there's no more policemen around. All done. Whew. Haha. Oh, what the hell? Alright, now let's go for another round. Oops, sorry. Let's go, boys. Let's go! Oh. Where are they? Where are those damn policemen? They here? Come fight me! Come fight me! Hello, officer! Hello, officer! Hello, officer! Stupid officer! Let's run. Can we escape here? Oh my god, there's dead people there. Okay. Ooh. So you can actually knock them all out. That's nice. Now let's hide here for now. So you can knock down all the officers. And if you do so, you should be able to operate 24/7. What's up, officer? Now where I'm gonna hide this body? Let's put all this body somewhere. This. Alright, let's put them there on the garbage bin. You belong here. You don't see anything, okay? Oh, where's the body? The body's gone. The body is glitching. Hello, officer. What the heck? Officer, oops. Good job, officer. Hey, don't mind me. Hello, officer. Hello, officer. Look there. That's your friend. Wait a minute. That's good. Okay. You belong there. You belong there. Now let's fight. There are officers over there. Hello, police. Hold on. Oops, 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 oops. Why am I slowed? Oh. So. Pick this guy up. Put his body somewhere. Here. Oops. Yeah, that's where you belong. Come on now. Stupid idiot. I own this place. I'm rich. Yo. Come on, man. Where are you? It's my guy. Oh, here. How are you? Got it. Where's my guy? Good. Let me get the money. Nice one. Come on, officer. Officer. Are there any more policemen? Where are they? Here. Idiot. Yeah, so apparently you can just do this. So by evening, I don't have to mind. Yeah. Why are you glitching? Come here, officer. Come join your friends here. Oh. Okay, the body's glitching. I don't care about that anymore. Fight! There, there, there. Fight, 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 fight. What's that? Damn it! Oh no. That was so bad. Whew. 2 assaults. Only 2 assaults, so they weren't able to trace back the earlier killings. And 215 in fine. That's actually pretty low. 3 high severity drug confiscated. That's fine, that's fine. Come fight me! Where are they? Here's for the last try. I think if you're careful enough, you're good enough, because I'm not good. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to. Ah, you're still here. There's still somebody here, it's glitching. Come on. Fight me. Hello, officer. I thought you were successful. You were not. What? Who's seeing? Dumb, guys. Whew. Weakling. What the hell? And that's it for today. I don't want to do this anymore. The game is now boring as fuck. And see you on next episode of Pak. Stupid. Come fight me. Let's go. Let's fight. Oh my god. What? What the hell? What the fuck? What was that? Killed myself? How is it possible? Oh, stupid. I actually did not record the system audio. That's bad.